3. Epson ET-16600. Another sublimation printer option we have for you is the Epson ET-16600. This model is a heavy machine for sublimation printing that most of people would prefer to use for printing their documents and sheets. This printer delivers bright, aesthetically beautiful prints at a speed of 12 ppm for color prints and 25 ppm for black prints at a high resolution of 4800 x 1200 dpi. A 4.3-inch color LCD touchscreen is also available for easy printing controls. It also includes a 500-sheet tray and a back feed, as well as automatic two-sided printing. It also accommodates large format material up to 13 x 19 inches. Epson software such as Epson Scan 2, Epson iPrint, and Epson Scan Smart make printing enjoyable. Finally, it has Ethernet, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and USB connection, so you may link it to your iOS, Mac, Android, laptop, or PC. The only problem that you may feel with the printer is that it prints slowly and is heavier. Aside from that, there are no differences in resolutions or functionality when it is compared with other competitors. Want to buy it? Check out the link given in the description.